Good morning everyone. Nandito po kami sa Adelina Elementary School and ngayon po is May 10. It's time now to vote kung sino na ang pipiling bagong presidente ng Pilipinas. And as you can see, madami ng matanong pupunta dito maaga kasi to avoid kasi ng overcrowding as well as mainit na panahon. Kasi nga, ito, parang umaga pa lang, mga 6:45, parang mainit na. And as you can see, dami ng mga tao na dito. Well, sino? So I will shot some pictures about the electoral 6 elections was because this is our first time to vote. It's also the first time the elections will be digital or electoral. So I hope this elections will be very peaceful and sana po wala pong mangyayaring magulo at sana po wala pong mangyayaring failure of elections dito po sa first electoral vote. So anyway, salamat sa inyo and I will see you when the announcement of who's the winner of the presidency is. Bye bye everyone.